Hey team, welcome back to another episode of Cooking 101 with LEXA DIXON. Alright, so today for lunch we're just going to make a real simple salmon bagel. So I've got my bagel here. It's mostly been cut, just not completely, so I'm just going to finish off the job. Then of course we will firstly add some cream cheese. Now of course our bottom layer is going to be salmon. Obviously got to give it the taste test. So good. And then lastly an onion. I'm going to merge these two halves together, and ta-da! A salmon bagel. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that. I know it was a nice short little snappy one today. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see me make. Maybe you'll see it featured here on LEXA DIXON. But until next time, I'll catch you on the flip side.